Very important video, guys. There's absolutely no video about this on the internet. I have searched. Even on forums, they don't show any pictures. But removing the knob for the headlight switch, or the dimmer switch, 1978 Lincoln Continental Mark V. So I had all of this loose, but obviously it just won't come out with this. So you have to go underneath. There's a button that releases it. Right there. See it? Oh, it's right there. It is not at the bottom of it like many people say. The button is basically pointing towards the passenger side. It's facing the passenger side. Tried for 30 minutes putting my fingers in there, ripping them apart just to look under there. Finally see the buttons on the side. If you look under there, you'll see this connector with two wires, probably green and black and purple. Yeah, so that connector's there. It's not at that connector. So basically, when people say it's at the bottom, what they're referring to is, I suppose, on another vehicle, it is faced on the bottom, but I saw on someone else's video, he pointed out on a Continental from 78, not a Mark V, but a Continental, the headlight switch it's 90 degrees. The button is pointing this way. It's pointing that way, so you can get in there how I did it with a screwdriver, not even that long, but I recommend a longer flathead screwdriver. And really, you got to look at it while you're doing it. Press the button, and then with the other hand, pull it out. You got to fiddle with it, rotate it, and then pull it at the same time. It'll come right out. Tidbits. Radio knobs. Here's the radio knob. As you can see, with an indentation. So you can just pull them out, but you got to be careful. I'd use like a small prying tool like this. Pry it out. And the window and washer has this. You gotta depress this little metal thing. Depress it. I recommend using a pick like that. And you get behind it, depress that metal thing like that. And it pulls right out. And for the AC controls, the same thing. Little metal tabs that you push down like that, and then they should pull right out. And for the lighter, should just come right out. This, for the passenger side mirror, it's threaded. So don't try pulling it out. You're gonna break something. It's threaded in there, so you gotta thread it out. Oh yes, this threaded too. For the window and washer, threaded. Right there. So, I mean, I don't know if it was really necessary for me to pull the entire dashboard. This is new to me, but I need to fix my clock and speedometer and whatever. So yeah, thank you.